Yeah, I wanted to show you I'm doing a live video here, and basically I'm dual wanding. This is a job that I had won out over my competitors. As a matter of fact, when the one competitor was here when I drove up, he basically drove away. I really felt bad for him because he was doing the estimate at the same time I was doing the estimate, but when he saw me drive up, he drove away. I would have loved to met him and worked out with him on the job. Anyway, I'm going to show you around this job. Briefly, you're going to see I've got two trucks here. I've got my low-top Nissan. I've got my high-top Nissan. And as you can see, I'm running at a high speed, two wands. And then over here, I've got my collapsible hose and my water key. I really like the collapsible hoses, they don't take up much space. You look inside the truck, I'm using both hoses, 200 foot of one, 150 foot of the other. All electric hose reels, really nice and convenient to have. Let's walk inside. Oh, by the way, the safety door, I left the little skirt off to show you how the poles are adjustable. They'll go up and down. How cool is that? And that way, it all comes zipper, comes completely loaded with the zipper on it. But I left that off just so you can tell and see how it works and how clear you can see out of it. And it's a little dirty. I probably need to wash it. So anyway, do you see how the skirt is? I left the skirt off. But look how those poles adjust right up, almost an 8-foot door. So that's really nice. Really sets a good, positive moment of truth. Got my corner guards. Got my pink shoe covers on. I've got the TMF pounder here. I like using a commercial vacuum, especially in a commercial location. Protein, both of these are available in the store. If I've got coffee stains, if you look over here, we like using the Unchained for Pets. Completely diluted. It works really good for coffee stains. Got my corner guards in place. I've got Kyle over here using the Bonzer, as you can see. Go ahead, keep using the Bonzer. These carpets aren't very dirty. And you see back in the back there, I've got Matt using a very unique tool that a lot of people have not seen in operation, but I'm going to show you in a minute. But let's flip back around here. Show you the Bonzer. It's a 12-inch tool versus the other tool is 14 inches. It's got a clear sight tube. These people are just doing this for their lease renewal. But I'm going to show you. You can see the soil going through there. We're running Formula 99. I like strapping the hose to the front. You can use a cheater hose or not. It's up to you. We just use a short one. It's got jets going forward, jets going backwards, and two glides. And you can see she puts out some heat. Great machine. It's got a real strong magnet on it. It's got a nice pigtail on there you can operate off of. It encapsulates the heat. Just a powerful little unit. Very convenient and very easy to use. All right? How's it coming, Kyle? You liking it? Yep, Kyle's got his uniform on. You can see he's wearing his shoe covers. He's wearing his gloves. Okay, we're going to walk around over here to the 14-inch tool that Matt is actually using. I'm going to come around the other way, Matt. Matt, this was a lease renewal, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. You look down in here, we've got our swivel wand, and it's swiveled all the way down on the floor. The reason being it's swiveled like that is because there's so much glass in this room. We really want to be extra careful, so we're going to use the swivel wand in here. With the glide, and the glide kind of extends out on the sides just a little bit, so if you do hit glass or the metal trim, you don't have to worry about it as much. So that's kind of cool. Now, on to the next feature. Yes, we are using the new Mighty. Oh, you can see the dirt coming through there, man. Check that out right there. You know the name of this tool, Matt?
The Mighty Bentley,
there you go, Mighty Bentley Pro. Very good. Kind of a new tool. It's 14 inches wide. It doesn't even look as wide as the Bonzer. But it actually is 14 inches wide, I'm pretty sure. I'd have to measure that because it almost doesn't look like it. I literally just bought this, guys. And you can clean forward and reverse. I can really see all the water and the soil removal. Check that out. That's pretty bad to the bone, Matt. I like that. A lot of clear plexiglass there, so you can really see what's being picked up and what's not. See the difference in the cleaning right there, too. So that's nice. How lightweight is it, Matt? Pretty easy to use?
Yeah, it's actually very easy to use.
Wow, cool. And you've used all the definitely CET tools. I call these CET tools. The zipper, the Bonzer, this one there, and then the Mighty Bentley Pro. What's the other one? The CX15, right? So I call them CET tools. That stands for cordless extraction tools. That's just a little phrase that I coined. You see the difference in here? These carpets aren't really that dirty. Matt's going down. Ooh, it came out really good in front of that transition, Matt. Real nice. Okay, I'm going to follow this one more time. I'll flip this around and talk about this job for a second. Look at that soil removal. That is beast, man. Love it. Actually, Matt, oh yeah, and this has metal glides on it. It's got some really nice heavy-duty wheels, a magnet right there. Oh, I like the 2-inch hosing going all the way up too, even though we're using a little bit of a cheater hose on this side too. It's dual glide and it's metal glide, so I don't think those metal glides wear out. Don't quote me. Still easy to use, Matt, even with the metal glides?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Nice, very nice. So that's kind of a cool attractive tool. I like the fact you can get around furniture. See there? The way it's cut out. Almost looks like the old Kirby vacuum cleaners where you can get around furniture. Maybe that's what inspired John to do this. I'll back up a little bit further here. Then I'm going to close this video out. You're going to see I've got an air mover here on this tile floor. And Matt, you said you're going to try to talk to him in cleaning the floors, right? The tile?
Oh yeah, that's my next goal.
Yep, yep. Matt is our hard surface pro, no doubt about it. And we really appreciate it. Matt's been through a couple of stone classes, does hardwood floors. I have to ask him questions. This boy's on the ball right here. And he's a great employee. Love having him. Fantastic guy, too. I'm going to pop back over here, Matt. Show what's going on. You see we got our corner guards in place right there. So I've got one going down here. Then I've got Kyle going the other direction. Oh, I've got another air mover here. So basically, you can see that you can easily dual wand with the Profire truck mount. That's what I really like about it. And so you can really get through a lot of square footage really fast. And that's really important because we all know what? Time is money, baby, right? So you got to get in, get out, get the job done. You got to get it done correctly. Fortunately, when the carpets aren't that dirty, you can just run some Formula 99, which will kick any carpets behind. You know, so that's what's really nice about it. As a matter of fact, I'll show you that, and I'll show you the truck one more time. Then I'm going to go ahead and close this video out, and I'm going to throw it on YouTube. So hold on a second. Whoop. Here we go. Coming back here. Corner guards in place. Matt's going that direction. See the tools we're using? The Unchained for Pets. By the way, this is a hot seller, guys. Pick it up. Customers love it. It's very profitable, too. Oh, yeah, don't forget about the safety door. I'll leave it unzipped just to show you guys you can get in and out of it. It comes completely loaded with the tether for carbon monoxide, the oversized window so you can see things that are going on outside, and also comes with the skirt. I just left the skirt inside the truck just to show you guys exactly how this thing extends up. Notice how it extends, how nice that is. I'm going to give one more look at my truck. Oh yeah, hand sanitizer, our Team F hand sanitizer. You see the amount of hose we're using. About 200 over here, it's 250. Use about 150 over here. All electric hose reels. Boom, right? So I'll give you one more look at the machine. Close this video out. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to dual wand. Much easier than you think, isn't it? Let me get a good look at this thing from a distance. So we get the whole truck in there. There we go. All right, well there you go. I hope you learned something from this video. I'm Rob Allen with Truckmount Forums. If you don't mind, please click like, make a comment, and subscribe. As I've always said and continue to say, in the 40 years I've been cleaning carpets and owning my own business in the local area, we built our company on treating people honest and fair, doing fantastic work, and that's why, and delivering unbelievable customer service. By doing that, we become the highest reviewed and the highest rated company in the 7th City District, maybe in the whole state of Virginia. I don't know, never checked. But you know, we're getting close to 1,000 reviews, and that's really strong. I think that's important. On top of it, at tmfshop.net, we're over 4,000 5-star reviews. So I truly appreciate the support. I'm always here. You can find us on Facebook in the groups, Truckmount Forums, Professionals, or you can go to the forum, truckmountforums.com. And if you need some schooling and some help, you can go to tmfacademy.com. And if you want some consulting from me, because I am retiring very soon, and when I retire, I'm just going to be doing consulting for the most part, and I'll help people out. And I'll get started consulting people for free at first, and then after that, it's going to be a slight charge, and I'll help you grow your business and get you to where you're at, because I believe in the law of reciprocity. I believe if I teach you to be successful, you'll help me be successful. Well, I'm Rob Allen with Truckmount Forums. Hope you enjoyed this video on dual wanding. The next one I'll show you one on dual wanding inside of a home. That's pretty cool too. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.